Hello, I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about teaching you everything you need to know about South Florida and its real estate that you can't find in a listing. And today, we're going to take a peek at this new listing. Are you looking for an affordable 55+ community in Boca Raton with great amenities and convenient location? Today, I'm taking you inside Sweetwater Section 3 in Boca Chase to show you exactly what it has to offer. We'll also take a peek inside my new listing here, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath waterfront villa, 1,243 square feet under air and 1,628 total, which includes the 1-car garage. For more information about this property or others like it, call the number on the bottom of your screen, 954-551-1987. I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. So I bet you want to go inside and take a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera, turn it around, and I'm going to walk you right through the property, just as if you were standing right next to me. No fancy editing or clips. It's one shot from the front door throughout the entire property and right back out. I'll also show you the garage. Stick around. Now, as we step inside, you'll notice the big high ceilings throughout the kitchen, living, and formal dining area. So as soon as you step in, you'll notice off to the right, we have a large eat-in kitchen. You can put a kitchen table here, even a little buffet table if you like. You have stainless steel appliances, a double oven, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher, and a sink in the corner, and a big breakfast island. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner can be eaten here. So it's roughly 1,200 square feet under air, 1,600 total, including the 1-car garage that, well, let me go show it to you because it's right here. Step right inside, you have a 1-car garage, hurricane impact door, and all the windows in the property are also hurricane impact. As we step into the living and dining area, again, look at how high these ceilings are. Even in the front of the property, you have big windows up top to let in all that natural light. And there's your front door we just came through. So we're going to walk through the property. Here's your formal dining area. And the living area. Now we're going to step outside onto the patio real quick, which is those windows in the back are hurricane impact sliding glass doors. And there's an AC vent out here, so you can leave this sliding glass door here open and have air conditioned space out here for a bonus room, which the gentleman was using it as an office. But there's one thing I forgot to mention, is this: you open the door, you're on a lake. You have a nice privacy out here. No neighbors behind you. Very quiet. So this view faces south, and in that view there faces west, and there's the sunset. So let's go back inside. So here's the back of the property. And we'll go right back in. Oh, there I am in the reflection. Never fails. Right, so this sliding glass door here goes to the master bedroom. This one goes back into the living area, as you see. So this is looking from the patio. And that's the front of the property with the windows, and there's your front door. So I like to film the properties this way, that way you get a feel of how the property is laid out. So we're going to go into the master bedroom now. And the master bedroom also has high ceilings. The sliding glass door, as I mentioned, that goes out to the patio, and there's also 2 windows. And it also has its own master bathroom attached. And a large very large walk-in closet that we're going to go take a look at next. So let's go in here and see. This is the master bath. You got dual sinks. And on this side you have the walk-in closet. And then the toilet and the shower area. There's the master bedroom. Now we'll go take a look at the bedroom and bathroom that are up front, along with the laundry room. It has a washer and dryer. So all the appliances stay, including the washer and dryer, all the stainless steel appliances, everything stays here. So here's your front door. You have a little linen closet up front for storage. And then this is the front bedroom. It has a reach-in closet. And it also has high ceilings. And these windows up front are also hurricane impact windows. Let's go take a look at the master bathroom. Oh, before we see that, there's the laundry room. You got your washer and dryer. Your AC is in here as well. And you also have a little storage closet here. Linen, laundry soaps, etc. There's also cabinetry here as well. So now the bathroom, when you turn the light on, the fan comes on. That's why I have it off right now, but here we go. Got a nice bathroom. And back out to the living area. So imagine when you come home, this is what you see. Beautiful open space, high ceilings, lots of natural light from the windows up here. You have a window above the front door, and these windows here over the kitchen. And here's the breakfast bar area, or lunch or dinner, whatever you want to eat here. A lot of space. So what's behind me is the clubhouse for Boca Chase. The Sweetwater 1, 2, and 3 community gets to use this clubhouse. So you saw the gated entrance, which has added security. This is the clubhouse that has social activities and events. There's also behind me a heated pool and a sun deck, a fitness center, tennis courts, scenic lake and walking paths, beautifully maintained landscaping throughout, and Sweetwater 1, 2, and 3 is an active 55+ community. So residents here also benefit from Boca Chase's larger community features, including additional green spaces and walking areas. So I'm going to go inside, take a look, and show you all the amenities. Follow me. As you walk in, you'll notice there's the entrance, and you have this big ballroom area, and right behind it is the pool. So they have a lot of activities here. There's a stage for shows, and we'll walk over here to the left, and I'll show you the ping pong area. A little ping pong table in here. And as we go over to this side of the clubhouse, you have the card room, the club room. Anyway, you guess you get to eat food over here. And there's also a library. And out here is the pool, which we're going to go check out after I show you the inside. Yep, there's people out there in the pool using it. It's beautiful weather here in South Florida today. There's also a kitchen area. So if you're hosting a party, you got a sink, a stove, and right behind here is a fridge. Nice stage to have events, bingo, shows, singing, dancing, even a piano. And behind here we have a little event wall that shows you what's going on in the community. And then down this little hallway back here, you have the fitness center. Nice and clean, well maintained. If you're looking for a well-maintained, amenity-rich community in Boca Raton with a peaceful vibe and a great location, Sweetwater 3 is definitely one to consider. And if you'd like more information about current listings or maybe a private tour of this property, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help. Call the number at the bottom of your screen, 954-551-1987. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. One more thing, when buying or selling, hire a veteran.